Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it and discuss the market. Again, before we go further, remember our content here is just for educational purposes and we're not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Good morning. George, VNET, Metal upcoming, unicorn running right now, Metal. I will check those stocks out. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. So, VNET, we got metal, heavy metal, NVA, CYN, SSKN. Okay, perfect. Checking those stocks out. Neo in the scan as well. Let's check here. VNET, no good here, man. No good. Is putting back metal. What's going on? Maybe a wrong ticker, or no, all of them is not good. So metal not good as well. Jumped yesterday, I think. Let's see when. Monday. Yeah, jumped 5%. Not good. NVA 70%. Yeah, this one crazy. We have a huge news for it. Last news was winning a 43 million defense contract. Okay, this one jumped big time, but I don't like it that much. It's overextended. But if it held the 45, we might have the 100. CYN 21%. And SSKN, yes, this one looking all right for today. Hunt SSYN. I might trade this one right now. It's getting near a resistance. That's why it's pulling back. Yeah, around the $2.75 exactly. I'm gonna lower the other profit taken around the $3.04, $3.45, and the ultimate $4. Yeah, I'm gonna keep SSKN looking great. CYN maybe later. I'm gonna put it on the waiting list for now, but yeah, this one I think we already traded before. We have the 747 to break. And if we broke this level, we got a few levels around the 840 and 940 and 1075. Yeah, CYN not bad. Not bad for today. Let's see. Yeah. GWAV, one of the top stocks. GWH might be good for today, but I will put it on the waiting list. We got AQMS, 68% here. Open, nothing much, down 3% for today. It broke the support. We got Bonk or BNKK, almost tested our profit taken on resistant. SSKN, yes, looking great, but GWAV should be number one here. I'm gonna put another support for this one here around the 646. SKN, double SKN, completely looking strong here. We have a few level of support to watch out for. We already hit the 275, which is the country resistant. Good morning, guys. Now we'll check the whole market just in case if we got something hiding in the forest. Oh God, Ethereum going down again. 7% for today. What a crazy dip. I think we might have a huge pullback again toward this time, maybe the 2,900. Yeah, is worrying to me because we got a pullback. We should have jumped more. 7%, 7% here. I think the jump just happened today in the morning. Yes, Tuesday in the morning. The flush started. We've got a critical zone for Ethereum to hold around the 3,700. If we held, will be good for a reversal again. So I'm gonna put alert just in case if we flush down here. Yeah. This time we might have another flush, guys. Be careful. 14% here, 25. Okay, so I'm watching for Ethereum, guys. We might have another dip. So we'll be ready for the second dip. Dogecoin again as well, preparing for a flush. Everything go down at the same level. Okay, so how everybody doing? The market is doing crazy for today. We have a few stocks to watch. Few stocks to watch. Okay, I'm gonna check the other list. ADHL and the other one SBLX. We got Neo. Okay. Good morning. Green in the day, Miss Bond. Great to hear. Okay, let's see. Let's see, ADHL 56%. This one jumping really quick now. Have a support around the 61. And now he's jumping. Yeah, it's getting near an interesting resistance right now around around the $1. So it might be good to test there before a huge pullback. The second one, we got this one already tested the resistance and might go up toward those level. But this one is a bit weaker than the rest. A bit weaker. SPLX, so we'll keep it on the waiting list. Neo, on the other hand, 4% down. Yeah, we have a support for Neo around the 642. Still holding it, nothing much happening. 642 is the support, resistance is around the 2. We got Wells Fargo reporting earnings today in pre-market, jumping up 3%. Domino's Pizza 1% up. Citigroup nothing much. KMX nothing much. ACN nothing much here. Yeah, Eric jumping 15%. This one have really great earnings for today. Checking the other APLD, nothing much. Already tested the all-time high, almost the all-time high around the 39. So we have a psychological level around the $40. We got Tesla jumping 5%. Interesting. Yesterday, 5% because reverse from the $400. AMD the same. We have a lot of stocks jumping yesterday. 14% for plug, now 4% down. SMCI the same. INTC, yeah, INTC, NEO. Yesterday it was a huge day. The market recovered a bit. Yeah, SYN. I will take it from the list. SYN. I will keep. I will keep EDHL better, yes. But EDHL, I don't trust it that much. So I'm gonna keep CYN is a bit stable here. So I'm gonna keep it here. SPLX 21, AQMS 76%. But the main resistance is a bit far. Yeah, looking great. AQMS. Okay, we're gonna keep those lists. Top gainer is GWAV. SSKN looking great. Bonk looking great. CYN maybe. And AQMS. But I'm gonna take CYN here from the list, keeping open. And the rest. Yeah, we have few minutes left at the market open, guys. Make sure to hit the like button and when. Good afternoon, John. How you doing, brother? Yeah, TMQ up 20%. Did really great job. SPLX, I'll put it on the other list. Yeah, SPLX, we have a breakout here, 36%. Thank you for the reminder, my brother. Yeah, SPLX, we have an early breakout before the market open around the $7.13. Looking interesting here after this breakout. We have the $8.34 to go to. 5 minutes left. Yeah, SPLX. LG, you are welcome. You are welcome. Yes, we did a really great update for TRY and CRML. Those two did a really good reversal yesterday. Good morning, Santush. Where have you been? My brother, where have you been? Hopefully everything good with you. Okay, nice. Took a break for a while. Nice, back to the hunter. Okay, we have a little pullback here for this one. A break is good, guys. Taking a break sometimes is good for our health and stress level. Yeah, the market could be really stressful if you took it seriously, of course. Okay, so we got SSKN, GWAV, BNKK, AQMS, SPLK, which pulling back now a bit. Open, yeah, is nearing an interesting level right now. Is pushed back down from this level. Let's see. Yeah, the resistance has been lowered right now for open around the 735, guys. We got resistance pull up back on us. Before it was the 950, then the 840, now it's 730. For open, we might have another pullback. Yesterday, 3% or almost 4% down, and today 4% down. We'll see. SPLX, guys, I don't like this huge pullback, man. So I'm gonna take it from the list. CYN is still stable, so I'm gonna maybe I'll put it instead of SPLX. Okay. Yeah, TMQ looking great. It needs to break the 819, guys. If we're gonna have a nice jump up or bullish trend up. So TMQ should be really great to watch for today. ITP, yes, it jumped, but I don't like the technical that much. MNTS the same. Take it from the list. DPRO not for today. Is light on volume. BBI jumping. But is not stable. Okay, we got 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. Let us concentrate. Concentrate on the price. One minute left at the market open. 1 minute left. This one have a reverse split, 4th of August. Huge reverse split. That's why it is around the $17. I think it was below the $1 before. Anyway, guys, just remember, we always go live 30 minutes before they open every day to hunt for the market. So make sure to subscribe in order to be notified next time the market look interestingly good for today. So let us have a great day and trade the market together. Remember the update, guys, every day early on our Discord and Patreon, where we discuss the market in pre-market. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join. Let's go. We got a few seconds, or the market is open. Let's go. Okay, guys, we got BNKK jumping nicely, pharmaceutical company that did a really good jump. Now it is almost 2 million worth of volume, is about to break this critical zone around the 31. This one could be a really nice squeezer for today because of this news, a huge news for Bonk, which announces a new strategy focused on building its business around the Bonk token, the most widely held token on Solana blockchain, guys, if you don't know, with nearly 1 million holders. The company highlighted the Bonk deflationary model, which has already burned over 12 trillion token, 10% of the supply, or worth 340 million, increases the scarcity and the long-term value of Bonk token. Yes, so right now with more even 400 products integrated into the ecosystem and strong community engagement, Of course, revenue, fund platform and company believe that bank security driven and economic make it powerful hedge anchor asset. This is really good, guys. In order to have substantial value, you have like any token when they burn 10% or more is really good if you want to have it as a gold asset, you know. The same with Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin is jumping lately almost over the 100K. Now Bitcoin is pulling back down, but it's back to a reversal up from the 3,700 for Ethereum. Now it's pulling back 7%. It's kind of planned, I see, because everything is 7 and 8%. It's kind of a planned. Anyway, so BNKK, guys, is still on the level. Yes, exactly around this white line that we should break right now in order to go toward the 31, which is the current resistance profit taken, or just below the 32, which is the breakout. As you can see, we have a huge test here. First one, then we got pushed back down. Second push here on the 10th of October. Then we bought back around the bottom. Here the third around the 13th of October, and here the 14th of October. So technically we have 5 touch for this resistance for BNKK. Again, this one is still testing the resistance, so we have to watch it closely for a breakout. SKN pulling back, GWAV pulling back, AQMS pulling back. Open is jumping up a little bit. CYN, no good, pull back. TMQ testing the resistance. SBLK, nothing much. EDHL, it could be interesting for a jump. Yes, sir. And let's see. Yeah. Yeah, EDHL might be good. I'm gonna put it on the main list here. So yeah, BNKK, guys, looking interesting for a breakout here. Yeah, BNKK looking great. I'm gonna put it first. Yeah, BNKK, guys, looking great here. It's still below the resistance, so as long as we hold this support, will be great for a reversal here. So we're gonna keep our eyes closed on this one. If we broke, we might have an avalanche of jump and FOMO buying. No haltation, I think, yet. SPLKS, not haltation, no haltation yet. So yeah, this one is still waiting for a right buyer to take us over the $30, yes. Now we have tested the $30 in pre-market, but we need the $32 test. Now it's 8%. Let's see how much we can do. Another 8%. So yeah, if you see 16% for BNKK, guys, it means the squeeze has started. Now it's 8%, so we missing another 8%. We missing another 8%. This one is still consolidating. EDHL, guys, looking great now. Yeah, ADHL or EDHL. ADHD for this one. Yeah, it's getting near a breakout here, or test for the $1 psychological level for EDHL. KMX, nothing. Wolf Fargo. Eric, really good jump here for Eric. Wow, we have a huge red day for today for the market. Tesla's pulling back, Mara's pulling back, right? Huge red sea of red. Huge red, huge sea of red. But I don't care. For Ethereum would be great for this month as long as we hold this support. Technically, we are good for Ethereum, yes. As long as we hold over this support, the 3,800. Yeah, we'll be good to go higher once again. Going back to check Bonk or BNKK, which just hugging the resistance here, as you see. You see this resistance has been hugged We still near the resistance. GWAV, nothing much happening here, guys. We should hold over the $15. GWAV looking great. EDHL looking great. SSKN as well looking all right because that's its support, and right now we reverse from it. GWAV, yes, we have a little reversal. Kind of, we have a resistance here. We need to break around the $20. Yes, $20 should be a major resistance to break. We have a good bounce from the support here over the 1490. So technically GWAV not bad for today. At least to go around the 26 and maybe around the 32. And first around the 2250 if we broke the 2025. So this one looking all right. GWAV. EDHL looking weaker. Yeah. Yeah. GWAV. We have to look for this one, guys. Let us see which one got halted. We'll use the lucky stock that been halted. GWH. GWH got halted, guys. Got halted down. GWH. Yes, sir. Okay. AQMS. Wait a second. We got GWH, AQMS halted as well, up. GWAV halted. SPLX is halted. SPLX is halted up. Holy baloney. So SPLX and TMQ, nope, that got shorted, and AQMS got halted up. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. BURU 26 down. So yeah, we got SPLX is halted up, guys. It's getting near current resistance right now around the $8.24. For now, yes, it did a really great jump here from the support 634. AQMX is kind of a breakout here from the current resistance. It's going up really good to test another resistance up here around the 21. So I'm gonna keep this one on the list, guys. It could be the one to watch with SPLX, which is halted up as well. EDHL is okay. SSKN, okay. GWAV is halted as well up. So let us keep the three stock that halted up together. All of them is halted up, guys. We have three stocks is halted up. EDHL, I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list. Open as well, waiting list. So yeah, we have three stock getting halted: GWAV, SPLX, and AQMS. All of them halted up. The only one is breaking a new resistance is AQMS. Foo-foo. Foo-foo. What's going on with this stock? Fantastic. No good. So yeah, going back to the main stock here. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Okay, what about gold? Nvidia dropping. Everything's dropping, brother. Nvidia is dropping the news. 4% down for Nvidia. Hallelujah. We got a nice discount for Nvidia, guys. But Nvidia is really at the all-time high. So not big deal, guys. The 4% is just correction. Is already on the top. Would be great to have a correction for Nvidia. And going back to stock that's been halted, GWAV still halted. SPLX unhalted, I think, right now, just jumped until the 790 and pulled back down. I'm gonna lower the resistance and profit taking for it just on those two levels. And now looking great. SPLX. AQMS, nothing much happening here. AQMS, nothing much happening. We have the 20, might be good. We have the other level around the 23. And another one around 25. Yes. AQMS unhalted around the 1860, guys. Watch out. Watch out. Tested the 19 and pulled back. The major resistance is around the 2037. SPLX pulling back. GWAV unhalted just below the resistance, the 2025. Okay. Um, okay, revise GWAV, brother. We got a breakout GWAV, guys. We have a resistance right now for it around the 2242. This one is the top gainer and the top unicorn for today because it's halted again. Yeah, it halted twice. We have a support for it around 1848. SPLX is pulling back toward main support over the $6 resistance already tested, and we got rejected at around the 756. We have the 894 as a profit. AQMS, we have kind of fake out. Price will pull back down just around the 1888 current resistance. We have a profit taken around the 2030, 2170. SSKN, nothing much. It's a bit weak now. It pulled back, might be pulling back toward the $2.24 and the 178. Current resistance 274. BNKK, the same. We need to break the 32 to squeeze, but now is on the sideways. But yeah, the main one is GWAV, guys. The main unicorn. Yeah, GWAV. Let us see which stock looking great. ELAB, no. AQMS, JD, ZG, maybe later for this one. NVA, no, nope, nope. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, so we only got GWAV. How everybody doing? GWV doing fantastic for today. GWV. GWAV. Currently halted, everybody. We have a limit of 130 shares. If you live in Europe, 130 shares to buy. We got haltation for GWAV around the 2111. It might test the 21 or the 2250 and get rejected, so be careful. Yeah, we have mixed signals today. Many stocks jumped in the pre-market, pulled back and the market open. GWAV might change the current of the market. CYN is holding the support currently. CYN, I think I took it from the list. Oh wow, yeah, it hold the second support tightly. Yes, over the 590. Not bad. It might go up again toward the 672 if we held here. The other one we got CMRL or what? Uh, CRML is kind of overextended. CRML is better to wait for a pullback. It's much safer. So yeah, the main one is SPLX, GWAV. We still hold it for this one, guys. GWH, we got a request stock from eTrice. GWH. Let me just check for you, man. GWH. I think I took it from the list entirely. GWH. GWH broke the support right now. Okay, that's why I took it from the list. It got halted down and broke the support while it go down. So watch out for a reversal now after the haltation over two support. The first one should be over or around the $7 or the 696, and the second is around the 563. For now, we have a resistance around the 870, and if we jumped, we might have the $9.99, and then the 1192. But yeah, it's kind of a recovering or recorrecting down because GWH, guys, we already discussed it yesterday. It was a really great trade for our hunter on the unicorn hunt. As you can see here, we did the nice chart for it around the $7.86, and we said the profit taken 940 and 1298. We went until the 1298 or even around the $13 yesterday, guys, before the market closed, and the price had double top, then pulled back. So it was a really great trade for our hunters. ELAB this or ELBM as well. We said the 550 should be good breakout resistance to enter at, and we hit all the profit taken. And the other one GWH, and of course STI. It broke the 13. It was really great as well. Guys, those stocks that we discuss after we finish this live streaming is every time on our Discord and Patreon. The link in the comment section below if you want to join our Hunter channel. CYN is holding over support and trade. Okay. Don't think, man. Don't think. Always go with your strategy. The more you think, the less you act. This is the problem. In trading, you have to think less, trust your instinct. And if you're wrong, you're wrong. You don't contemplate on your mistakes, you learn from them instead. Anyway, you are welcome, Eater Rice. For now, going back to GWAV. I'm gonna discuss this one more further. If we broke the resistance after the haltation, guys, we're gonna do update again on our Discord to discuss this one in depth. In the meantime, stay alerted, and of course, we're gonna do another update for you on our Discord for the stock that broke the resistance or the charts have changed, because the charts change every second, guys. We're gonna do a major update for it. Yes, Paul is carrying the unicorn. Exactly, man. He's speaking today. Yeah, every time he speak, he blasted the market. Elab, John Elab. I took it from the list because broke the support. ELAB. Oh, yeah, 93%. It broke the support a little bit. Watch out for the bottom. If we hold the bottom around the 686 would be great, but now it's pulled back a lot. That's why I took it from the list. Current resistance is around the 1114. Profit taken is around the 1334 and the 1735. But the current support is the 905. But the bottom is 686. Because if we broke it, it's mean game over for ELAB. Anyway, guys, this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow as usual at the same time, 30 minutes before the market is open. Don't forget to subscribe in order to be notified once we go live. Thank you for watching, guys.